Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to transfer money to your Fidelity brokerage account. First, make sure you've linked your bank account to Fidelity. If you haven't done that yet, just tap the person icon at the top right, scroll down to Banks and Cards, then select Link Account. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your bank. Once your bank is linked, go back to the home screen. At the bottom, tap Transact. From the top menu, choose Transfer. Now, select where you're transferring money from. Pick your linked bank account, then choose which Fidelity account you want the money to go into. Next, select how often you want this transfer to happen. Just once, or set up a recurring deposit. Enter the amount you want to transfer, for example, $25. Once that's done, tap Review to double check your details, and if everything looks good, tap Submit. And that's it. You've successfully added money to your Fidelity brokerage account and you're ready to start investing. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.